What's the meaning of bossiness? Bossiness. Bossiness.
Bossiness. Bossiness. Bossiness is a noun that refers to the tendency to behave in an authoritarian or controlling manner, often without considering the thoughts or feelings of others. This behavior can manifest itself as excessive demands, orders, or micromanagement, and can lead to resentment and resistance from those being bossed around. Individuals who exhibit bossy behavior may be perceived as overbearing, domineering, or even bullying. Ultimately, such behavior can damage relationships and undermine teamwork, as well as limit opportunities for growth and collaboration. It is important to balance assertiveness with empathy and respect for others' perspectives in order to avoid being labeled as bossy.